So let me tell you the different types of assets you need to know that will benefit you financially. These are things that you can touch, such as a machinery, a vehicle for work, or an equipment. That is a physical asset. Then we have financial assets. These are assets that represent promise to get money in the future, and they can be used as income, such as cash flow or dividends paid to you either monthly or quarterly. We have investment assets. These are things that you can make more money from by investing in stocks, investing in mutual funds, with a promise as well that it will grow over time and you can cash out when you are comfortable enough with the growth you have made from your investment. Then we've got fixed assets. You have houses, you have shops, and you have factories. Because they are fixed, they have a value over a long period of time. Then you have current assets. These are assets that we have every day, such as cash or gold or money owed to us by other people. Now we move on to an intangible asset. You have copyrights, you have trademarks, you have a patent to a product that you have made. These are intangible assets and they owe value, so you will need to get a contract in place with the right solicitor to get it secured by you. And finally, we have operating assets. These are things that you use to run your business on a daily basis. This includes your devices that you own or a car that you use to drive around, because your business needs to run to make money on a daily basis.